the Bigger Bubbles Blaster. Okay, let's unbox it. Actually, I meant unbox and review. Okay, let's just open this thingamajig up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Oh, that toy! Oh yeah. But guys, I actually forgot the back here. So let's read it. Bubble solution right there. Pour the bubble solution into the bubble tray. That's French. Here's just the arrow. Snap the green and yellow pieces into the blaster. French. Dippy yellow. It's a dippy because to make it a little fun. Dippy yellow strings into bubble solution. Into the bubble solution. They meant, I think, pull the trigger to activate the blaster fan. They meant, I think. Release the trigger to make great big bubbles. Okay, guys, let's do this. I think this is the bubble tray. Oh, this is the bubble solution. It looks like soap. Oh, look at that. That's cool. There we go. I wonder why that one goes down and this one like goes up. Do you bubble blaster? Look at that. Wait. Pac-Man with you. Okay, whatever. That was just silliness. But guys, actually, this toy needs batteries. Okay, but there's screws here. So, guys, you can buy Pac-Man again. Bye. Okay, that was funny. So, guys, we inserted the battery right as I pushed the trigger. This opened, and also at the same time, when this goes like this, the fan turns on. At the same time, it goes like that. Look. Did you hear that? Wait, guys, listen. Actually, and this is what happened. Look at the fan, though. It doesn't look like it has wings, but when it stops, it does. That's because it goes really fast. Okay, so guys, there is 2 bubble packets for bags here. Yeah, we're gonna go outside so it doesn't get messy all over here. So let's do that. First we gotta get this. Okay, guys, let's teleport. Okay, so guys, I teleported into the backyard. Okay. Yeah. Look, guys. Oh man. Okay, guys, this time I'm gonna try slowly. Oh, it's working. Oh my gosh! Man, you're kidding. Okay, let's do this thing again. Oh my gosh, finally! Going so high. I wish they would go like up to space. Let's say if they did pop, it would go to space. guys, it splashed. Okay. I like the rainbow thing. Oh, look at that! Did you see the rainbow stuff? That's because of sunlight. Look at that! Holy moly! Guys, this is super fun. Look at it. It doesn't look that fun because it's in the camera. But actually, it's much fun. It's much more fun than you actually think. Look! Look at that! Holy moly! Oh man. Okay, let's try this. Oh no, it's going up! This is so fun. I would give this an 8 out of 10. I would give this an 8 out of 10. Look. Look. Look, look, look! Look, it's going up there! Oh my gosh, look! For the funniest, I would give 100 out of 100. I'll give 100 out of 100 for funniest. But why I gave it 8 out of 10 is because I don't like that after a pop of a bubble, like when you make it too much and then it pops, you have to get near from there. That's the thing I don't like. bubbles. Guys, imagine how many months I was in the house for winter. I was in the house for 4 years. I mean 4 months for winter. So China, finally it's summer! It was so boring inside, just like recording videos and watching videos and going to online class. Now it's time for outside games, but also online class because now it's COVID and I want to enjoy like that, like this. But guys, if you're like too hot, here's a cool off. Oh yeah, you're feeling cool now? Here. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share. Bye. Bubble bye. Bubble bye. Bye, Bubble. Bye. Bye.